Hi guys, Mav here. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mav and I do anything and everything DIY. So if that's your thing, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you will be the first to know the moment I upload a new video. And for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys how much I earn here in YouTube. And of course, I will be including the process and the timeline. So if you'd like to see how that goes, then keep on watching. It all started with this video. June of 2021, I decided to create a sneaker mask for my then boyfriend Kev's, and started weeks early because our anniversary was July 16. And with that, I just got a pair of sneakers, Ultra Boost, and created 2 sneaker masks out of it. And then didn't have the guts to have it uploaded up until October. Well, of course, I did a lot of mistakes. First off is that I did not buy a subscription for KineMaster, and then the formatting of this video is obviously portrait instead of a landscape because I did not plan on creating a YouTube channel by then. But I got to enjoy the editing part. So I did my best to have at least 1 video uploaded every week. Was thinking of it like every Friday, 6 a.m. Philippine time. I then started off setting up my YouTube channel. So I created a banner, picture to be uploaded, description and all that. Checked with all the settings that there is to check, and of course thought of a name that's just catchy and easy to remember, which is my own nickname, which is Mav, because my real name is Marvic. And of course, with this, I didn't expect anything at all because I just really enjoyed making the video and editing it, and decided to just go for it. You know, have 1 video uploaded per week. That's it. Don't pressure yourself, because I did want to be one of the YouTubers who felt pressured not to have a video uploaded every week or twice a week. I just want to enjoy it. I would not want to have any video uploaded just for the sake of uploading one. I want to make sure that I enjoyed every video that I make, because I know that as long as I enjoy it, I'll continue to do it, with or without the money that I'm gonna be getting out of it. And then of course, as per YouTube requirement, you have to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours for you to be eligible. So from the time that I started this YouTube channel, I moved to 3 houses, basically. Not because of anything related to YouTube that I got a lot of money out of it or whatnot. No, it's just because of personal circumstances that I had to move. So first I just started shooting in the veranda of our first rented house, and then the second rented house in the terrace, and then the third have a studio right here, which is the house of my fiance's parents, which is pretty normal here in the Philippines, wherein you live in, or let's say you'll be living at your parents' house or at your in-laws' house or whatnot, especially at first. So yeah, here's the studio, and just slowly invested on lights, tripods, especially lighting. I upgraded 3 times until I got the right lighting, because I thought the ring lights were enough and all that. And materials, of course, especially for art materials. I think all materials are expensive, really expensive, so you wouldn't want to mess it up. There's that pressure not to mess it up because it is expensive, so you're gonna be wasting materials literally, and you know, just try and do your best with it. Now I got the notification from YouTube that I can earn from YouTube. because I already reached the quota of 1,000 subscribers and 40,000 watch hours. And of course, you gotta be asking your friends and family a lot at first, because it's really hard to get your first 1,000 subscribers. Some of the other YouTubers said that it's the hardest to get your first 1,000 subscribers, because you gotta build trust. You gotta build your niche. You gotta have your niche. But that's the thing. I don't know if what I'm doing is wrong or right or whatnot, but I don't have a niche, because I love customizing sneakers. I love painting. I love sewing. I love art. I love DIYs. Well, I guess as long as I can do it, my thinking is I'm not gonna pay for it. I'm just gonna do it myself. So, and of course, Halloween makeups. Love Halloween. So, gotta set that up. But you know, with regards to the subscribers, the comments, and the likes, which you don't get anything of, as far as I know, correct me if I'm wrong, is that the only thing you get from it is it tells YouTube to recommend your video more to other people that has the same likes, or like on the suggested videos, to watch your video. Because of course, they'll think that if someone subscribed to you, someone commented, or someone liked your video, that it's good. So they'd recommend it to someone else. But money-wise, you don't get anything out of it. You get money, I'm sure of, is with regards to the ads. So normally it's like a 5 to 10 second ad. Some of it you can skip, some of it you cannot. Now the thing with that is you only earn as long as they don't skip it. And some of it are really long, so I really understand it. Some people, or most people, will be skipping all the ads, and that's very understandable. Now the great thing about that is that, let's say you already have 1 million subscribers and they all skipped after 5 seconds. That's going to be a lot. The accumulated part of the ad that you did not skip, that's the part where you're going to be earning money. And now, after 1 year and 7 months, I earned $100. And yes, there is a threshold for you to reach $100 before you'll be able to withdraw that money from and have it transferred to your account. So I just set it up to be automatically transferred to my bank account as soon as it reached $100. And now that I've already reached the requirement, and after getting my first payout from YouTube, currently, like 2 months in, I am earning around $17 to $18 every month. So it's really not something that I can. It's not something like it's not something that I can quit my job, my real job, and do this full time. I cannot with that amount, obviously, unless I guess you already have hundreds of thousands of subscribers, especially millions. I think that's the only time you'll be able to focus and do YouTube full time. But in this case, not for me, and that's not bad for me, because anyway, I enjoy doing all of these stuff. That's number one. And second, I'm gonna do it anyway, so why not take a video of it, have it uploaded? And on the side, yes, I'm still doing custom sneakers, and as well as painting commissions. So it's not bad. I mean, it's basically just doing something that I love, jumped into it, and it is an investment with regards to the materials and the equipment that you're going to be using. I am still using my phone to have everything recorded, so yeah, that's the only thing that's missing, but we'll get there. Just don't be afraid to try. Like the GOAT said, I know it's a lifelong debate. The GOAT, MJ, obviously, is I can accept failure, but I cannot accept not trying. So just try. I mean, know that you're gonna fail, but know that you're gonna learn something from it too. So just try, do your best, enjoy the process, learn from it.
So
all in all, would I say it's worth it? Financially, definitely a no, because it doesn't even cover the material that I use per video in the subscription that I have every month for KineMaster. So for financially, definitely a no. But emotionally, mentally, learning wise, everything else, is it worth it? For me, yes it is, because I'm happy with what I'm doing, from thinking of what video to you create next time, when to have it uploaded, what's the best month, or what are gonna be the succeeding videos after that, and creating the process itself of creating the video, as well as editing it and putting it out there, and people, just regardless if you're subscribed or not, replying or actually commenting and letting me know that I've helped or made them smile in any way. Yes, that's very, very worth it for me. And will I continue to do this even if currently, after a year and 7 months, I just earned $100 out of it, and $17 to $18 every month after that? Yes, I would still continue to do it. I'm enjoying it, basically. The reason why I'm continuing it. And do I hope that it's gonna be bigger in the future? Yes, of course, why not? Do I wish to continue doing this full time in the future? Hopefully, yes, of course, why not? Because imagine that, having a job that you just love creating and sharing it would be a really great experience, because not everybody gets to do that. And yes, I do not get anything for every subscriber, every like, every comment financially, but I'm happy with it. It shows that it lets me know that people listen to me, and that they care, that they like what I'm doing, and that I'm being supported. And think about it, that some, if not most of these people don't even know me. And if you're a subscriber or not, if you're watching this, I thank you for that. I really do. And I mean it when I say that I'm gonna be reading every comment that you put down below on any video that I do. I really mean that. And if you have any questions, of course, I would do my best to answer that, but I would not answer your question if I do not know the answer to it. So I don't know why I'm even nervous talking about this right now, or like I'm still not used to it, even though I'm thinking that, hey, it's just another video where no one's gonna watch your video. That's why I have the guts to talk to you, well, technically the camera, and just letting it out there to you watching this, that yeah, I do care for every video that I put out there. And I don't know where this is going. So yeah, basically I really, really, really thank you for your support. Excuse me. Every like, comment, suggestion, subscription, especially if you share it, of course, that would be great. And I really appreciate you supporting and showing your love for me. I really thank you for that. And as always, if you have any questions, comments on what we did, or suggestions, please feel free to put them all down below, or hit me up on Instagram, and it's me, Mab. You now have a good one. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much again for watching, because for the next 3 months, starting this August, September, up to October, it's gonna be a 3-month-long series of Halloween makeup tutorials. So if you're getting ready as early as now, these coming videos are gonna be for you. And hope you like it. Let me know anything that you'd like. Just, talk to me if you want to, whatever. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Bye-bye.